guys, it's Kimika. Today I want to do room tour in Taipei, Taiwan. This is like closet and here's two bathroom. Here is toilet and here is shower room and bath thing. And here we can brush our teeth or brush our face. And yeah, so big mirror. Then here is bedroom. Yay! Bedroom is so smaller than Canada, but it's larger than Japan. And we have sofa too. That's so good. That's all. So small room, but it's okay because it's a good hotel and yeah, it's cheap. How was that? It's Cesar Metro, Taipei, and it's new hotel, and it's near, I forgot the subway name, but anyway, subway station, and we can go to the middle of Taipei, so easy, and it's a good hotel.